Go ahead.
If you eat a full meal and got not satiated, and you pick a new soy burger, do you need to make a new blessing for that one which was not inside in the fridge?
I didn't get the question. Could you repeat the question again? The whole situation. You ate a meal. What?
So you already have a meal, and you got not you end the meal, still not.
No. What's that? What is the meal? Meal with bread or no bread?
Yes, with bread. You are done with that, but you didn't get satiated, and you decide to pick a new vegetarian burger from the refrigerator that is not on. It's in another room. So you need to do a new blessing for
No. It's actually considered. So let me just repeat the question. We broaden up the question. It's a very good question. So the question is: person started the meal, right, and he had all of the dishes and whatever he's going to eat, and with the bread. Meal means with the bread, right? That's why I just confirmed. So he finished the meal and he's still hungry. So it's the meal is not considered to be finished. So because it's usual like nature of the people, so they decide, no, I'm going to eat this and that, and then they eat 10 other dishes as well. You understand? So that's since it is the nature of all people, it's like this person actually like intended to eat all of this food, even though it was not on his table. It was refrigerator. It was if it was like in a store, it would not be covered. But whatever in the house, that's normal for a person to go back to refrigerator or pantry closet and eat some extra. So no blessing required.